Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, Noor, Sabrina and Nadra are participating for the school race. Noor is youngest and can run a lap in 60 seconds. Okay? Sabrina can run a lap in 36 seconds. The oldest student, Nadra, can run a lap in 24 seconds. They start running at the same time from the starting line. After how many seconds will they all meet at the starting line? Firstly, let us write the given information. Firstly, Noor can run a lap in 60 seconds. Okay? Then Sabrina can run a lap in 36 seconds. And Nadra can run a lap in 24 seconds. Okay? So, they three will meet after the time of  least common multiple of 60, 36 and 24. So the least common multiple of these three is 360. Okay? Hence, after 360 seconds, the three will meet all the three will meet at the starting line.